This is a quick video about how to take a shed that's leaning a little bit or has dropped on one of its corners and how to correct it. It's pretty easy, as long as it's not too much of an angle change. You can see on these doors that this was installed about maybe 6 months ago. You can see a couple of things going on. One is that this used to be very straight. Now there's a big gap here. This one's kind of loose. This one though is tight here, and there's more of a gap here. So what's going on with the shed is that the whole thing is dropped slightly on this side to my left. And in this type of a shed, you can get something underneath here, like a car jack, and you can bring this up just a little bit and then put some shims between this material and this material, and that'll correct it. So the shed is most likely to have this happen in the first year because it kind of settles. Usually you have gravel down, but maybe this side is just dropped slightly. So it should be pretty easy to cure it. We just need a car jack that can fit underneath there, scissor jack, and then some type of material we can put in between, like a wood shim would be great. A little car jack, scissor jack underneath there, and if you don't have enough room, you could always dig down to get your jack into position. And we got it already a little tight. We're just going to turn it and take a look and see where it's at. Just a little bit at a time. Let's see if that's any different now. Yeah, so it's looking a little better. This one closes easier, but I want to try to get that line even, so I'm going to go a little higher. So these blocks have a little gap in them now. We're going to put something between there, and that should hold it up. There's a car jack. So our line's a little straighter now, and the door no longer is jammed. So, pretty easy. Just going to put a little shim in there. The door nice and straight. We're just going to put in some wood blocks here to help keep it up where we have it. Just part of an old stir stick. Put that in, give it a little tap. One on this side too. Okay, and we'll go ahead and take the scissor jack down. Put the weight back on those. See if it stays. So the dropped line is not as good, but doors are good, they don't jam. So I probably would want to go up a little bit higher, put a little more material, so when it settles down, I get a better line. It's definitely better, but I'd like it to be the same from here to here. Alright, hope that helps you guys. Just need a couple things. Scissors jack and some kind of material to shim it up. Thanks so much for watching our video. We really appreciate your support. And when you get a chance, please press the subscribe button below so you can be subscribed, and also the notification bell so we can send you more videos about appliance repair. Please also give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, If you really liked the video and it really helped you, please press this new applaud button and you can show your support and also get a nice clapping hands for your video. Thanks again.